Shibadong Village is a quaint village located in central China's Hunan province, meaning 18 caves in Chinese. The ethnic Miao village had a long history of poverty. The situation started to change in 2013 when the concept of targeted poverty alleviation was introduced in the village. This pioneering notion focused on tailoring poverty alleviation efforts to different individuals, local conditions, and causes of poverty. In a mere decade, the village has experienced a profound transformation. Since 2013, Shibadong has become increasingly accessible to tourists thanks to the construction of infrastructure. In 2013, the village received 838,000 tourists and earned tourism revenue of about 19.7 billion yuan. The remarkable transformation of the village is also closely tied to its industrial progress. Over the past 10 years, Shibadong has formed 5 industries, namely tourism, mountain spring water, labor service, farming, and Miao embroidery.
你看，以前我们都在外面打工，你看现在我们的苗绣发展得很好。你看现在我们可以在家门口上班呀，你看又可以照顾小孩，又可以有自己的一份收入。
村里的年轻人啊，在做直播的时候呢，也做了好多的场，我们也给村民销售了很多的农副产品，给他们拓宽了销路。